Happy Tuesday, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day so far. And I just wanted to remind you guys that I made a mistake yesterday. It's not 4 days, it's in 2 days. So in Thursday, in 2 days, which is Thursday, you guys get to come see us at school, okay? So how many days? 2 more days, okay? Okay, so don't forget, in 2 days, you could come in the morning or in the afternoon to school, and you guys get to see me, Miss Kira, Miss Cozy, Miss Missy, and all of our teachers at school, okay? So don't forget, 2 days. All right. This week we're learning about flowers. Remember? We're learning about flowers, and what letter are we learning? T. Do you guys remember how we do T in sign language? So we put our hand up, put your finger in the middle, you close it, and there's your T. Ready? What does T say, guys? The T says T. The T says T. Every letter makes the sound the T says T. Like in table. Or what shapes did we say that have the letter T? Do you guys remember? Triangle. Did you guys draw your triangle on your math journal? I hope you did. But triangle starts with the letter T. T. Triangle. What's this shape? Trapezoid. It also starts with the letter T. T. Trapezoid. Okay? So, do you guys have the letter T in your name? If you are saying me and your name is Ethan. Ethan has a T in his name. Okay? Nobody else has the letter T in their name. I checked. But Ethan is the only friend in our classroom that has the letter T in his name. See? E-T-H-A-N. But Ethan has a special name because the T does not say T in his name. It says Ethan. Okay? So this is a special time. The T and the H are together. So when the T and H are together, they say so that's why it says Ethan, and not Ethan. Okay? But Ethan has the letter T in his name. And then whose name is over here? Do you guys know whose name that is? In the pink? Does it have a letter T? This is my name. I have a letter T in my name. See? S-T-E-F-A-N-Y. Stephanie. So my name does say the T sound. Okay? Just wanted to show you guys. So those are the letters. The letter that we're learning this week. Your job is to go around your house and find out if there's anything in your house that starts with the letter T. And then we get to share tomorrow. And I will share what I found at my house that starts with the letter T. All right? So, today you're reading Chicka Chicka Boom Boom in our class. So, in your packet, you're going to find these letters on a worksheet. Okay, your job is to grab a magazine or newspaper or old paper that mommy and daddy don't use, and you get to look through those things and see if you find the letters. So you're going to go through the magazines or the books, and you're going to go look for the letter A and B and C and D and all the letters all the way through Z, and then you're going to cut them off the magazine or newspaper, and you are going to glue it on. Okay? And see if you could find all the letters. All right? Okay. So yesterday we talked about what? What did you guys remember? The flowers. And we talked about the different parts of a flower. We talked about the roots, has their sprout, the stem, the leaves, the petals, and the seeds. Okay? And I asked you to go around your house in your backyard or your neighborhood and see if you could find a flower that has all these parts. So if you do not have a flower with you, go get one. And I have my flower here. Okay? And I could see that my flower has a stem. It kind of has leaves right here. And it has petals. And the seeds are like hidden right inside there. But I can't see them, but I know they're in there. Does my flower have a sprout? Or roots? No. See? Mine does not have it. Okay? But if you do not have your flower with you, go get one. It doesn't matter what color it is. It doesn't matter what kind of flower. You just need to get a flower and paper and paint or color crayons. Okay? And I'm going to use paint. And what we're going to do today is we are going to draw a flower or paint a flower. So you're going to have whatever you have. You're going to use with whatever you have. And I have my white paper right here, and I have paint. So I'm going to use paint. And if you do not have paint, that's okay. You can use your crayons, markers, or colored pencils. And what you're going to do is you're going to paint your flower. So I'm going to paint my pink rose. So maybe you don't have a pink rose. You have a daisy or an orchid or a red rose. Okay, so it doesn't matter what kind of flower, again, just any flower, and your flower could be any color. Okay, so hope you have everything ready, and we're going to start. So I only have 3 colored paints. I'm going to show you. I have blue paint, I have red paint, and I have yellow paint. Whoop! Yellow paint. So I don't have green to do my green stem. What 2 colors can I use to make green? Do you guys remember? Is it blue and red? No. How about blue and yellow? Do they make green? Yes, blue and yellow make green. So I am going to use blue and yellow to make my stem. Okay, so I looked at my flower, and I know my flower has a short stem and it has some leaves on the bottom of the petals. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to try to do that. So it's okay. You can't. I'm going to move this because I can't paint like that. But I'm not a very good painter. And I'm just going to try my best. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to try your best at painting your flowers. And we're just going to have fun trying to do this together. My colors are not mixing very well, and I'll show you right now. But I'm going to try my best to make green. Right? So look, there's my stem. Now I'm going to make the leaves under my petals. Do you guys does your your flower have leaves or petals? They should have petals. I meant, do they have leaves? Maybe your flower doesn't have leaves. Okay, that was my best. So see, I have my stem and I painted my flowers in the bottom. And now I'm going to do my petals. And I don't have white, so I cannot make pink. But I'm going to try my best to make it pink. So now I'm going to do my petals for my rose. And like so. And it looks like I'm almost done. There's my flower, guys. How does yours turn out? Do they look kind of the same? A little bit. It's okay. I tried my best. Maybe yours looks better than mine. But I want you to do that today. Make sure you do that, and I hope you have fun while you do it. Maybe mommy or daddy can join you, or your brother and sister, and you guys could paint together flowers together today. Okay? If you have a different flower, you could paint several flowers in your paper. Okay? I hope you have fun, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.